Complete step-by-step split AC service at home guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to service a split air conditioner at home, step by step. AC service is very important because a clean air conditioner gives better cooling, uses less electricity, and lasts longer. If you do not clean your AC regularly, it can cause weak cooling, bad smell, and high electricity bills. So let's start the complete guide. Introduction to AC cleaning. A clean air conditioner works efficiently and provides healthy air. Dust, dirt, and bacteria can build up inside the AC over time. This not only reduces cooling performance, but can also affect your health. Regular maintenance helps prevent problems and keeps your AC running smoothly. Important safety step. Before starting any work, always turn off the power supply of the AC. This helps prevent electric shock and damage to the unit. Never work on an AC while it is connected to electricity. Signs that your AC needs service. There are some common signs that show your AC needs cleaning. Weak cooling, bad smell from indoor unit, unusual noise, higher electricity bills, dust coming from vents. If you notice these problems, it's time to service your AC. Tools required for AC service. Before starting, prepare these tools: soft brush, vacuum cleaner, mild detergent or AC cleaning solution, water spray bottle, cloth. These tools will help you clean your AC safely. Step 1. Clean the air filters. Air filters are the most important part of the AC. They collect dust and dirt from the air. If they become dirty, airflow is blocked and cooling becomes weak. Steps: open the front panel of the indoor unit. Remove the air filters. Clean them using water or a soft brush. Let them dry completely in shade. Install them back. Tip: clean filters every 2 weeks in summer. Step 2. Clean the indoor unit, evaporator area. Inside the indoor unit there are evaporator coils. These coils absorb heat from the room. If they become dirty, cooling efficiency decreases. Steps: open the indoor unit cover. Use a soft brush or vacuum to remove dust. Apply a mild cleaning solution carefully. Do not damage the fins. Note: deep coil cleaning should be done by a professional. Step 3. Clean the drain pipe. AC produces water during cooling, which flows through a drain pipe. If the pipe is blocked, water can leak inside the room. Steps: check the drain pipe. Remove any blockage. Flush with water if needed. Clean drainage equals no leakage problems. Step 4. Clean the outdoor unit condenser. The outdoor unit releases heat from your home. If it is dirty, heat cannot escape properly, and cooling becomes weak. Steps: clean the outer surface. Remove dust, leaves, and dirt. Ensure proper space around the unit, 2 to 3 feet. Important: do not use high-pressure water. Step 5. Check insulation and connections. Check the pipes and insulation between indoor and outdoor units. Damaged insulation can cause cooling loss. Make sure pipes are properly insulated. No gas leakage signs. Connections are secure. Common mistakes to avoid. While servicing your AC, avoid these mistakes: not turning off power, using strong chemicals, using pressure washer, damaging delicate fins. Always work carefully. How often should you service your AC? Filter cleaning every 2 weeks. Basic cleaning every 1 to 2 months. Full service at least once a year. If you use AC daily, service it more frequently. Conclusion: split AC service at home is simple if you follow the right steps. Regular cleaning and maintenance can save money, improve performance, and prevent major problems. However, for complex tasks, always contact a professional technician. Thank you for watching HVAC official channel.